Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. Today we are presenting some ideas on wooden cord hooks. Wooden cord hooks are simple yet indispensable elements in our daily lives, seamlessly blending functionality with aesthetics. These small but significant accessories serve a practical purpose while contributing to the overall decor of a space. From traditional wall-mounted designs to more contemporary and artistic interpretations, wooden cord hooks offer a versatile and timeless solution for organizing outerwear and accessories. One of the primary advantages of wooden cord hooks is their natural and warm aesthetic. Wood as a material brings a sense of warmth and authenticity to any space. The variety of wood species, each with its unique grain pattern and color, allows individuals to choose hooks that complement their interior design preferences. Whether it's the rich tones of mahogany, the light hues of pine, or the rustic appeal of reclaimed wood, there is a wooden cord hook to suit every style and taste. Functionality is at the core of wooden cord hooks designs. These hooks provide a simple and efficient means of organizing coats, hats, scarves, bags, and other accessories, keeping them within easy reach. Wall-mounted cord hooks are particularly popular as they maximize space and offer a convenient storage solution in entryways, mudrooms, and bedrooms. The ease of installation and the ability to position hooks at varying heights makes them adaptable to different needs and preferences. The durability of wooden cord hooks is another noteworthy feature. When properly crafted and finished, wooden cord hooks can withstand the daily wear and tear associated with hanging and removing items. The strength of wood ensures that these hooks remain sturdy and reliable over time. Additionally, the natural properties of wood makes it resistant to rust, a common concern with metal hooks, especially in humid environments. Wooden cord hooks also provide an opportunity for customization and personalization. Many people choose to purchase unfinished wooden hooks, allowing them to paint or stain the hooks to match their existing decor. This DIY approach adds a creative element to the process, enabling individuals to tailor the hooks to their unique style and color preferences. Some crafters even take it a step further by embellishing the hooks with artistic designs, creating functional pieces that double as decorative accents. In the realm of interior design, wooden cord hooks are versatile enough to complement a variety of styles. In minimalist and modern spaces, sleek and simple wooden hooks can blend seamlessly with clean lines and neutral color schemes. On the other hand, in more rustic and traditional settings, ornate and hand-carved wooden hooks can add a touch of charm and character. The adaptability of wooden cord hooks makes them suitable for a wide range of home aesthetics. Beyond residential spaces, wooden cord hooks find applications in commercial settings such as offices, hotels, and retail establishments. In these environments, where functionality and aesthetics coalesce, wooden hooks contribute to a well-organized and visually pleasing atmosphere. The use of wooden hooks also aligns with the growing emphasis on sustainable and eco-friendly design choices, as wood is a renewable resource when responsibly sourced. Wooden cord hooks exemplify the marriage of form and function. Their natural aesthetic, functionality, durability, and versatility makes them a popular choice for both residential and commercial spaces. From classic and understated designs to more elaborate and artistic creations, wooden cord hooks offer a practical solution for organizing belongings while enhancing the visual appeal of the surrounding environment. As essential elements of everyday life, these hooks demonstrate that even the smallest details can make a significant impact on the overall design and organization of a space. I hope you were inspired to watch these ideas till the end. Which one of these ideas was your favorite? I'd love to hear from you in the comments. If you would like to keep up to date with my latest videos about DIY projects, woodworking, metalworking, furniture ideas and more, you can subscribe us and click the bell icon for notification when we upload a new video to the channel.